Kia ora, ko Sharon Holt tōku ingoa. I'm back again with a little bit of new learning for you this week. So haere can either mean go or come, depending on whether it's got the word mai after it. So if it's haere mai, it's always going to be come. But haere without the mai is go. Haere ki te. So ki is about to, and it's to do with travelling. Haere ki te, and te is the. So haere ki te is a good way to say anything about what you want. It's kind of like telling somebody to do something, I guess. Haere ki te kihini, go to the kitchen. Haere ki te ruma moi, go to the bedroom. Haere ki te haere ki te horoi is go to have a wash. Haere ki te ruma horoi, or whatever the word for bathroom is, it's out of my head at the moment, but haere ki te is go to the, or go to do something. This one doesn't have the te in because it's just saying go outside. Haere ki waho, go outside. Haere ki roto, go inside. So if you are inside, you're not going to say go inside, are you? You wouldn't say that. You would say come inside. So that's why it would be haere mai ki roto. So can you tell the difference? Haere mai ki roto, come inside, because that's where I am. Mai is to do with towards me. Haere ki roto, you would have to be outside as well. Haere ki roto, go inside. Okay, so that's the difference there. You could say here, haere ki te taone, go to town. Haere ki te toa, go to the shops. All of those kinds of things work with haere ki te, and these ones are specifically just haere ki, haere ki. Haere, and remember to say haere, not haere. Haere, haere, haere ki te kihini, go to the kitchen. And if you want somebody to say come to the kitchen, haere mai ki te kihini. Haere mai ki te ruma moi, come to the bedroom. Well, that's a little bit adult, isn't it? But anyway, so that hopefully gives you the summary of how you can add those simple phrases, which we're kind of saying those things all the time. We could be saying them in te reo Māori. Ka kite.